welcome back to another video of Tech TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Frollo application on your iOS device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, tap and open App Store on your device. Now, tap on the search bar and type Frollo and click on Search. Now scroll down a little bit until you find this logo. Click on it and click on Get button here. Now you need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or an passcode. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. It may take some time depending on your internet speed. Now you can click on Open button to use Frollo application on your iOS device. So that is how you can download Frollo on iOS device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.